So I've been airing up and down the tires in the Samurai because I'm kind of messing with some steering stuff right now. And it's good to know that I've got the same tire pressure in all tires. And this is a great opportunity to show you once again why a 4-tire inflation kit is a killer setup to have. So I used the MORRFlate tire inflator kit to get all the tires inflated up to 25, and then I zeroed out this tire. So this thing is at nothing. You can see the grip performance valve stem remover and tire deflator kit. That thing is still hooked up. So say you're out on the road like this and you've got 3 good tires and one that's completely flat, and you don't have an air compressor, or maybe your compressor's not working, or you have an air tank and it ran out. Whatever the case is, you have no power source to air the tires up. Here's a cool trick. Using the air in the other tires, we're gonna hook it up to this equalization valve, and without even turning it on or anything, we're gonna have the air that's in those 340s fill up this 40-inch tire, and we'll see what the air pressure is in all 4 of them afterwards. All right, so let's see where we're at right now. It's been just a few minutes and we are at 18 PSI is the equilibrium for all the tires. But if you get close enough, you can kind of hear there's still some air going in to this tire. So once this gauge stops, we'll know what the actual pressure is, but it looks like it's gonna be around 17 and a half, maybe 17 PSI. So keep in mind, we're starting at 25 PSI. So all around, we've definitely gone down. If this is an emergency and you're trying to get to the next gas station or a tire shop, or maybe to one of your buddies that has a way to air up your tires, this is a great trick to have up your sleeve, so it can at least get you there. Another thing that's cool about these is when you're airing down, you don't want to have all of your tires at a different PSI. It's been talked about a lot before. Every pound of air pressure is gonna make a big difference, especially when you're under 10 PSI. These people are going all the way down to 5 or less in the snow. You can't chance it. And this way you only have to focus on one gauge because all the tires are connected. Hopefully this video is enough to convince you that these 4-tire inflation kits are awesome, even for airing up the tires that already have air in them. My go-to brand for this is MORRFlate. These guys are awesome. Anytime I've had a technical question about it or needed help with the gauge or hose or whatever, they've been there to help me out. Another cool thing is MORRFlate takes care of these off-road trails and the organizations. They donate a ton of money and volunteer their time. So if you're looking for somebody to support with your air up system, check out MORRFlate. So that's it, just a quick video showing what you can do with a 4-tire inflation system, and even without an air compressor or an air source of any kind. Hope that was a new trick for you guys to have up your sleeve. Thanks for checking it out. See you in the next one.